Hi, boys and girls. This song is called Engine, Engine Number 9. Engine, engine number 9, going down the central line. If the train should jump the track, will I get my money back? Let's learn this. Let's do it by echo. It has some pretty weird words. Jumping the track, are you going to get your money back? Let's do it by echo. My turn first. Ready? Engine, engine number 9, going down the central line. If the train should jump the track, will I get my money back? That's it. Nice and short. Short and sweet. Let's try it together. Here we go. Engine, engine number 9, going down the central line. If the train should jump the track, will I get my money back? All right, now that you know the song, let's spice it up a little. Let's make it a little more interesting. We are going to have A-B form. The A section will be the song, and during the B section, you are going to read some rhythms. Okay, let's do it. All right, here we go. Engine, engine number 9, going down the central line. If the train should jump the track, will I get my money back?
Da dee dee da dee dee da 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 sh. Da dee dee da dee dee da 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 sh.
Engine, engine number 9, going down the central line. If the train should jump the track, will I get my money back?
Dee 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 da da dee dee da da sh. Dee 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 da da dee dee da da sh.
Engine, engine number 9, going down the central line. If the train should jump the track, will I get my money back?
Da da dee dee da dee 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 da sh. Da da dee dee da dee 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 da sh.